Hey guys, it's Cam with the camera, and today's episode is just going to be a documentary of me recording a music video with a local artist. His name is Marq Deshon. We're just going to go location scout, find something really simple. I'm going to throw y'all, or really throw the camera onto a gimbal, and we're going to do like either a one take or like a very simplified music video on the Ronin. Just some simple push in and pull out actions, maybe some rotating, but it's going to be one of those very short scenes, so maybe like one or two different scenes, just continuation. And then after that, I'm going to show y'all how I edit the music video, and yeah, just follow me on this process, and I hope you enjoy me making a short music video. Peace. What's up guys, it's Cam, like Cam with the camera, and right now we are at WRAL Garden doing the music video Zero with
Marq Deshon, man. Deshon1 on Instagram. You can follow me now. TGL Cafe on Twitter. It's a war. It's a world at risk. Let's do it.
Hey, so now we're about to go location scouting at this garden and see what locations we can come up with for this music video. So follow us as we do that. Peace. All right guys, so while we're out here, we're gonna be looking for a lot of like colorful locations and also some leading lines and stuff like that. That's really gonna draw your attention to him while he's walking and rapping. So we're gonna take a look at some of these little places. So let's look at it. Just want to get some B-roll in real quick. Ooh, that's cool. Well, I like this. This is really cool how like the light comes in. I like how that light beam is coming up from right up there too, and like hit you in the back right there. But having this as the background right here.
Type shit, like a side, you and me.
Yeah, I definitely see that right here.
Yeah, the white in the back, right?
So yeah, now we got two locations. Ooh.
I can never. Oh my God, what a fucking day.
Right, you could do that. You know how we were talking about pausing and whatnot? You could stop to smell the flowers.
Yeah, hell yeah. Okay. All right, now we're making that.
Let's see. Yeah, what's up here? This looks pretty. I know it's kind of in front of everybody, but whatever. Yeah. Will you stand right there for me real quick? Yeah, that could look really cool from right here. I'm gonna show you what that looks like.
All backwards. This is the first, that's the second, and that's the third up there.
Yeah.
You feel me? I don't even think we need all that much footage type shit.
Yeah, I think we could be good with that. I just want to see what's right down there real quick, but I think we have everything, honestly. Evil.
That's all right. Oh, and I got this shit tatted up. So we can goddamn get a frame like.
You're talking about like
a frame where I got the tat right here and then it's right here. That could be some B-roll type shit.
Yeah, or change them into like the monkey face, like the emojis. You know what I'm saying?
Oh hell yeah, that should be fire. Are you ready to start up? Yeah. I can't really even look back. You know what I'm saying? I'm just past that shit. You know, like someone was, you know, I think you never take a step up. I'm a fly, what a fucking day. My bitch, hold on, what am I drinking?
Alright, so I'm just gonna be going back and forth like this. Just make sure to keep playing to the camera the whole time. So if I'm over there, look over here. If I'm over there, look over there. Alright, we rolling?
Yeah. I can't really even look back. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just past that shit. You know, Marq Deshon won the world zero. I can never break a sweat, but oh my God, what a fucking day. My name up in your mouth, that bitch need a glass of lemonade. Thirsty, 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 don't you hurt me, hurt me, hurt me. My thotty need them drugs up in a hurry, hurry, hurry. Cold like snow flirt, stay low like a gopher. Leave these niggas so hurt, left that girl to soul search. I swear I need research, or maybe just a recharge. Got my game on lock, no key card. About to roll right home like keyboard. You been on my head, but I'm plotting. What's on my noggin? Run through these bands like I'm jogging. I'ma eat regardless. Had to step back just like I'm Harden. Had to plant my garden. And yeah, I love myself, not cocky. One step from flawless. Why you scrolling through all your motherfucking images? Picture this, you stay on your phone, the sky is limitless. You be on the go too much, you know your home where your heart is. You with me or against me, don't ever try to play defense. Never in a situation where I'm feeling targeted. I found my flaws and flourished them. I smell the death just like horsemen. All my demons torch, yeah, I left them bitches scorch. And they say I look better in person, but I burnt my portraits. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. Gotta do it for yourself before you go with people. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. Gotta do it for yourself before you go to people. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. I done turned into the villain, trying to be the hero. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. I done turned into the villain, trying to be the hero.
Alright.
I can't really even look back. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just past that shit. You know, Marq Deshon won the world zero. I can never break a sweat, but oh my God, what a fucking day. My name up in your mouth, that bitch need a glass of lemonade. Thirsty, 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 don't you hurt me, hurt me, hurt me. My thought, I can't really even look back. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just past that shit. You know, Marq Deshon won the world zero. I can never break a sweat, but oh my God, what a fucking day. My name up in your mouth, that bitch need a glass of lemonade. Thirsty, 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 don't you hurt me, hurt me, hurt me. My thotty need them drugs up in a hurry, hurry, hurry. Cold like snow flirt, stay low like a gopher. Leave these niggas so hurt, left that girl to soul search. I swear I need research, or maybe just a recharge. Got my game on lock, no key card. About to roll right home like keyboard. You been on my head, but I'm plotting. What's on my noggin? Run through these bands like I'm jogging. I'ma eat regardless. Had to step back just like I'm Harden. Had to plant my garden. And yeah, I love myself, not cocky. One step from flawless. Why you scrolling through all your motherfucking images? Picture this, you stay on your phone, the sky is limitless. You be on the go too much, you know your home where your heart is. You with me or against me, don't ever try to play defense. Never in a situation where I'm feeling targeted. I found my flaws and flourished them. I smell the death just like horsemen. All my demons torch, yeah, I left them bitches scorch. And they say I look better in person, but I burnt my portraits. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. Gotta do it for yourself before you go with people. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. Gotta do it for yourself before you go to people. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. I done turned into the villain, tryna be the hero. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. I done turned into the villain, tryna be the hero.
Rolling and action.
Yeah, I can't really even look back. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just past that shit. You know, Marq Deshon 1 the world 0. I can never break a sweat, but oh my God, what a fucking day. My name up in your mouth, that bitch need a glass of lemonade. Thirsty, don't you hurt me. My thotty need them gels up in a hurry. Cold like snowflake, stay low like a gopher. Lead these niggas so hurt, left that girl to soul search.
Right,
I swear I need research, or maybe just a recharge. Got my game on lock, no key card, about to roll right home like keyboard. You been on my head, but I'm plotting. What's on my noggin? Run through these bands like I'm jogging. I'ma eat regardless. Had to step back just like I'm Harden. Had to plant my garden. And yeah, I love myself, not cocky. One step from flawless. Why you scrolling through all your motherfucking images? Picture this, you stay on your phone, the sky is limitless. You be on the go too much, you know your home where your heart is. You with me or against me, don't ever try to play defense. Never in a situation where I'm feeling targeted. I found my flaws and flourished, and I smell the death just like horsemen. All my demons scorched, yeah, I left them bitches scorched. And they say I look better in person, but I burnt my portraits. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. Gotta do it for yourself before you go to people. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. Gotta do it for yourself before you go to people. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. I done turned into the villain, tryna be the hero. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. I done turned into the villain, tryna be the hero.
All right, rolling and action.
Yeah, I can't really even look back.
Slow down a little
You know
bit.
what I'm saying? Like, I'm just past that shit. You know, Marq Deshon 1 the world 0. I can never break a
Slow down a
sweat,
little
but
bit more.
oh my God, what a fucking day. My name up in your mouth, that bitch need a glass of lemonade. Thirsty, don't you hurt me. My thotty need
Slow
them
down
gels
for
up
me.
in a hurry. Cold like snowflake, stay low like a gopher.
Good speed right
Lead
there,
these
hold that
niggas so
speed.
hurt, left that girl to soul search. I swear I need research, or maybe just a recharge. Got my game on lock, no key card, about to roll right home like keyboard. You been on my head, but I'm plotting. What's on my noggin? Run through these bands like I'm jogging. I'ma eat regardless.
Slow down a
Had to
little bit more
step
for me.
back just like I'm Harden. Had to plant my garden. And yeah, I love myself, not cocky.
Right there, that's
One
speed
step
right
from
there.
flawless. Why you scrolling through all your motherfucking images? Picture this, you stay on your phone, the sky is limitless. You be on the go too much, you know your home
that's
where
speed,
your
just
heart
like
is.
that.
You with me or against me, don't ever try to play defense. Never in a situation where I'm
Perfect.
feeling targeted. I found my flaws and flourished, and I smell the death just like horsemen. All my demons torch, yeah, I left them bitches scorched. And they say I
that
look
speed?
better in person, but I burnt my portraits.
Perfect.
Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. Gotta do it for yourself before you go to people. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. Gotta do it for yourself before before you go to people.
Come this way.
Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. I done turned into the villain, tryna be the hero. Marq Deshon 1 in the world 0. I done turned into the villain, tryna be the hero.
Slow down. Slow down. There we go. Alright. Now let's just go ahead and start walking out. Like we did with that last music video, you know how you just walked out? Almost, keep walking. And cut.
I had to throw the speaker because it was going to be in my back pocket.
I know, that was perfect. Woo! So right after that little last part of the video, Mark threw the Bluetooth.
I know, bro. I'm a terrible person.
And so now we were looking at him in these bushes. We were in these bushes.
It was right here, man.
The whole time. Now look, we got all of this that we were down. We were looking all up in these bushes. Now there's spiders all up in them, and there's ants and there's bees.
It's a dangerous area, bro. Say the least.
So then we just kept walking because, you know, we were about to give up on it, honestly. Not really, but, you know, getting discouraged just to come down and find out that this thing's here, right in the sunlight,
Right here,
right in front of us.
Sea, bro.
I can't believe we missed that, but you know, at least we found it.
It exposed itself to us. I guess it's a spiritual thing.
All right, so we're gonna get back and probably show you how I'm gonna edit this video. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this vlog. So
Before the vlog ends, just know it's gonna be 2 copies of this video, one on my page, one on Cam's page.
Yeah.
That is Cam with the camera, and my page is Marq Deshon. So be on the lookout for that.
oh yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join us for the next episode.
Oh yeah, next episode, but like and comment and subscribe to him first, bro. This is the guy right here. This is the guy. Young Marq Deshon though, War is the brand. It's a world at risk. Shop now. Available now.